This is the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 RS with the Visage package, the most extreme, most track-focused version of the 911 ever built. It's lighter, louder, sharper, and somehow even crazier than the last one. Today we are diving deep into what makes this car a street-legal race machine, from its screaming flat 6 engine to its Formula 1 style aerodynamics. The GT3 RS looks like a road car, but every single line, vent, and duct has a job to do. Those fender levers, the live pressure inside the wheels wells, the side intake feeds cool air directly to the radiators, and that towering swan neck rear wing, it's pure racing neck, straight from Porsche GT cars. It's aggressive, unapologetic, and honestly beautiful in its purpose. It pushes out 525 horsepower and 465 Newton meters of torque, all the way up to a mind-bending 9,000 RPM redline. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, just 3.2 seconds. Top speed 296 km per hour. But honestly, it's not about straight line numbers. The GT3 RS is about how it feels in the corner. Power is delivered through Porsche's 7-speed dual-clutch PDK transmission, faster than any human could ever shift manually. Every gear change hits with precision, giving you that instant racing feedback. With Porsche Active Aerodynamics or PAA, the car automatically adjusts its front diffuser and massive rear wing for optimal downforce. And yes, it has a drag reduction system, just like Formula 1. Hit the DRS button and the rear wing flattens out, cutting drag on straight so you can rocket forward with less resistance. Step inside and you immediately know this is not a normal 911. It's stripped down, focused. You get lightweight bucket seats, exposed carbon fiber everywhere, and a roll cage if you take Visage option. The steering wheel has 4 rotary dials for adjusting suspension, stiffness, traction control, and aerodynamics balance, all while driving. You don't know just drive the GT-RS, you tune in real time like a race engineer. Weight is the enemy of performance, and Porsche knows it. That's why this car is built with carbon fiber reinforced plastic or CFRP. The doors, front wings, roof, bonnet, and even the rear wings are made from CFRP. It's all about saving grams because every gram counts when you're chasing lap times. And this Visage package takes weight saving even further. It replaces steel anti-roll bars with carbon ones, adds carbon minor caps, and swaps out interior trimmer for light compounds. Total weight saved around 15 kilograms. Still doesn't sound much. Add the optimal magnesium wheels and you shave off even more rotating mass. The results razor sharp handling, even faster responses. At full tilt, the GT3 RS generates over 860 kilometers of downforce. That's nearly double what the previous GT RS managed. The chassis is also track optimized with a wider stance for better lateral grip and stability. Even the front suspension arms are teardrop shaped, not for looks but to increase downforce and improve brake cooling. The 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 RS Visage package isn't just a car, it's a statement, a defense against hybridization and turbocharging. It's proof that pure mechanical engineering still has a place in the future. It's not built for comfort, it's not built for luxury, it's built for dominate the track and makes your heart race every time you touch the throttle. This is Porsche at its absolute best: precision, passion, and performance turned up to 11. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the GT3 RS, hit the like button, subscribe for more dream car deep dives, and let me know in the comments what will you take this over, a Lamborghini Huracan STO. See you in the next one.